This is the first time I've attempted to fix up an engine. I soaked off the contact points here in some vinegar that cleaned them up. They had some corrosion. We had lost one of the gears in here on the floor and it was not ever going to work again, and it got lubed. The kid lubed it up. Here goes. And that runs better than ever. It's even going fast. Wow. I'm impressed. Oh, well. There we go. Easy track. I'm going to work some of the oil in. I smell oil. Awesome. The light's not working. I tried to clean that up, but maybe I shorted it. I don't know. I hope not. Alright. I'll put it all together and get the Southern Pacific back in action. Okay, it works. That was easier to put together. The Southern Pacific is on the move. Wow, that was totally dead. And the kid greased it up, so off it goes. Good job, kid. Wow. Awesomeness.